ASUS VP28UQG 28 Review 2019. 28 4K UHD, 3840x2160, with 1 millisecond response time and adaptive sync. AMD FreeSync for immersive, crisp visuals featuring DisplayPort and dual Hdmi connectivity. ASUS Eye Care technology lowers blue light and eliminates flickering to reduce eye strain and ailments. Display colors is 1073.7 10-bit, and maximum contrast ratio is 1001. It can allow an adaptive sync. FreeSync supported graphics source to dynamically adjust display refresh rate based on typical content frame rates for power-efficient, virtually stutter-free and low-latency display update. 5-way OSD joystick delivers intuitive monitor controls, so you can access features such as ASUS GamePlus on the fly. Digital signal frequency for DisplayPort is 120 to 120 kHz horizontal, 40 to 60 Hz vertical. My signal frequency is 24 to 99 kHz horizontal, 40 to 60 Hz vertical. Compliance and standards: EC logo, Energy Star, BSMI, CB, CCC, C, Cell Level 1, FCC, PSB, C, ROSE, TCO 7.0, ALCUL, VCCI, WIT, WHQL, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, RCM, TUV flicker-free TUV low blue light. Exclusive GamePlus and game visual settings enhance color performance and control. ASUS rapid replacement 3 years warranty service with free cross-shipping. Tilt -5 degrees plus 20 degrees. B, R, I, G, H, T, N, B, S, S, Max, 300 candelas. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.